So children, now proceeding to one little more advancement. When the company issues debentures to the public for a collateral security. Now what is collateral security? I hope you understand the meaning of security. Security means on the mortgage of something. When we ask for a loan and to secure the loan, lender wants a security from us. So we pledge something with the lender, and after the repayment of the principal amount of loan, that security is released back to the person who's asking for the loan. That is a security. So now when we want a loan, and when we take a loan, we pledge our debentures for a security. That means we tell the lender that these are the debentures, we are keeping them as a security with you till we repay the loan to you. When the total amount of loan is repaid, you release the debentures. That means for the time period the debentures are lying with the lender, the debentures do not give the right of a debenture holder to the lender. Lender is just a custodian of debentures for that time period. He just has the debentures in his capacity, in his possession, but he does not become the debenture holder on the list of the company. So when debentures, that means have been given to him as a security. Now that is the meaning of security. But here we can see the word collateral security. That means a secondary, additional security. Additional means when we take a loan from the bank or any other financial institution, we give some security. In case the lender is still not satisfied or lender is still not confident about realizing the total amount of the debt credit given at that time, so he wants an additional security कि अगर इससे मेरा लोन पूरा नहीं हुआ in the event of default of payment, so I can use your secondary security. So one additional security you keep with us. So additional security के लिए we give a debentures, but till the time the debentures are kept with the creditor as additional security, the repayment is not done. The debenture holder, the creditor does not get the right of debenture holder. He does not become the debenture holder. That means interest नहीं release कर रहे हम उसको. He only has the possession of debentures. See here, we'll read. Sometimes when a company takes a loan from the bank or some other party, the company may have to issue debentures as collateral security. Means secondary security in addition to the principal security. The bank or other persons to whom such debentures are issued as collateral security will not be entitled to any interest on these debentures. They are entitled to get interest on the original loan advanced by them. If the default is made either in the payment of interest or in the payment of principal debt, then at that time the lender will first realize his debt from the principal security. But if the full amount of debt is not realized from the principal security, it may claim all the rights of debenture holder. Only in that event, that means in the event of default, the rights of debenture holder are acquired by the lender. Now the accounting treatment for this, there are two opinions and two types of accounting treatment. The first accounting treatment, or you can say the first opinion, is we are giving them, we are taking the bank loan. पहले तो bank loan लेने की entry, bank to bank loan. This is class 11 level of entry. We have taken the bank, money has come in, and bank loan, that's a liability, bank to bank loan. Now for in such cases, people are of the opinion that though the debentures have been given for collateral security, but they have not been issued, and we are not intending default on payment. As soon as the payment is returned, the loan repayment is done, the debentures will be released back. The issue of debentures तो हुआ ही नहीं. When issue has not taken place, we will not record the issue anywhere. The debentures का mention आएगा ही नहीं. That is the first opinion. बैंक टू बैंक लोन की फर्स्ट एंट्री करते हैं. but only in the balance sheet such loan is taken. And on in the balance sheet when we write the long term borrowings, उसके नीचे we write that bank loan has been taken. The bank loan तो लिखेंगे ना वहाँ पे liability side पे. So bank loan we write on the collateral security of debentures of so and so amount. So on the bank loan has been taken on collateral security of debentures. We write it there in the liability side of the balance sheet, and no entry is passed for the issue of debentures. That is the first opinion or the first method to record the debentures when debentures have been given as collateral security. But then there are people who have another opinion for these debentures. They feel that whether debentures have been issued or not, but debentures जो हमारे स्टॉक ऑफ डिबेंचर्स हैं हमारे पास, उसमें से some debentures have been used. डिबेंचर गए तो हैं ना वहाँ पे. So as long as debentures have gone, the record of such debentures have to be maintained. That means we follow the convention of full disclosure. That means everything has to be disclosed, whether debentures have been issued or not. But debentures तो गए हैं ना. If 1000 debentures have been made, the company has made the debentures of 1000 debentures, उसमें से 100 debentures have been used as collateral security. तो वो 100 का कहीं mention तो आना चाहिए ना. So in that opinion, these two entries, if we hold that opinion, the entries formed are this. In that case, the account is opened called debenture suspense account. We write here bank to bank loan. This entry is same for the amount of loan that is being taken. For the issue of debentures as collateral security in this method, we open this new account called debenture suspense account. And in the balance sheet, debenture suspense account will be shown as a reduction from the debentures account on the equity and liability side. So when we show debentures, उसमें से debenture suspense account we will show as a reduction. As and when the loan is repaid, debenture suspense account कम होता जाता है and it vanishes when all the debentures are repaid. This is the second opinion of debentures issued as collateral security. Now let us see the accounting treatment. This is illustration 20 in the textbook. So here children, the question says a company had rupees 10 lakh 12% debentures outstanding on 1st April 2019. During the year, company took a loan of rupees 2 lakh from State Bank of India. The loan has been taken for rupees 2 lakh. For which the company placed with the bank debentures for rupees 2,50,000. 2 lakh के debentures के लिए debentures worth 2,50,000 has been given as collateral security. You have to pass the entries. So if we pass the entries, we will show both the methods. In case the first method we follow, there is no mention of release of debentures or issue of debentures. Only bank to bank loan. The journal entry is only for bank to bank loan for rupees 2 lakh. The loan has been taken for rupees 2 lakh. So 2 lakh ka this. But in the balance sheet, when we show in the notes to accounts, we will show that this bank loan, we have taken the bank loan of rupees 2 lakh on the collateral security of debentures of rupees 2,50,000. We will write it, and it is, though it is written in brackets, but it is very important to mention. You cannot ignore it. Bank loan has been acquired on the collateral security of debentures of rupees 2,50,000, and that is how it will be shown in the balance sheet. Now the second method, when the opinion is that we have to disclose the issue of debentures as collateral security. In that case, bank to bank loan, pehli entry for the 2 lakh loan that has been taken. Then the next is debenture suspense account to debenture, a new account debenture. कितने के debenture suspense account में कितना आएगा? Debentures of 2,50,000 have been issued. Debentures of 2,50,000. So debenture suspense account to debenture for 2,50,000. And we will write here issue of the narration will include issue of 2,50,000 debentures as collateral security. Collateral security to secure a loan of 2 lakh from the bank. Pura clearly everything has to be shown. And in the liability side, notes to account में it will be shown like this. The debentures for 12,50,000 टोटल हुआ है, जिसमें से 2,50,000 तो कोलेट्रल सिक्योरिटी है, बैंक फॉर द बैंक लोन ऑफ 2 लाख, बैंक लोन ऑफ 2 लाख के कोलेट्रल सिक्योरिटी है. वी हैव शोन इट हियर. दैट मीन्स 10 लाख के टोटल डिबेंचर्स और 2 लाख का बैंक लोन. That is the amount of collateral. That is the way of showing the total liabilities. So both these are the ways of showing the liabilities. Sorry, debentures at collateral security. Now next we come, girls. Another very important thing. See, this chapter does not hold many different things. You go through all these illustrations. Illustrations are not very different than the issue of shares. The transactions are very similar. Only that one different transaction that I am doing with you, only that is different. Next, now we reach redemption of debentures. No, we are not redeeming the debentures here. The chapter is issue of debentures, but here the entries for issue of debentures are being made keeping in mind the redemption. I discussed with you, debentures can be issued at par, premium, discount, but they are redeemed at par and premium. So there are 5 options, 5 possibilities that are kept in mind for the issue of debentures. Whenever the debentures are issued, we have to keep in mind the conditions of repayment also. So the entries are passed thinking of keeping in mind the redemption of debentures. That is very, very important. Redemption has to be kept in mind. The 5 possibilities, now we'll make the accounting treatment with these 5 possibilities. See, the entries passed when the debentures are redeemed. Debentures to debenture holder, the amount of redemption is made due to the debenture holder, and then it is paid debenture holder to bank. Very simple. The entry is same. But now there are 5 possibilities. Here I'll tell you. See here now. These are the possibilities of, these are the entries at the time of issue of debentures, keeping in mind the redemption of debentures. Debentures are, when the first case is when the debentures are issued at par. When the debentures are issued at par, the very simple entry is bank to debenture application and debenture application to application and allotment. You may open, generally the joint account is opened. I've used here, in order to save time and my effort, I have opened a single account here, debenture application, but you can replace it with debenture application and allotment account everywhere. So first entry, very simple, bank to debenture application and allotment. In case the debentures have been issued, 100 rupee ka debenture, it is like this case. See, I'll show you. If debentures of 100 rupee are redeemable at 100 rupee, 100 ka debenture redeemable at 100. So debentures of 100 are redeemable at par. यहाँ लिख देती हूँ, it is easier. So now entries for the redemption, and entries at the time of issue, bank to debenture application 100, to debenture application to debenture. And at the time of redemption, what will be the entry? Bank to debenture holder 100 and debenture holder to bank rupees 100. The same amount will be paid. I think now I am trying to adjust the camera to give the full view. It is not getting fitted. Doesn't matter. Okay. Next case is, children, first we just did when the debentures are issued. 100 rupee debenture is issued for 100 and redeemed at 100. So the entries for issue and redemption at par, very simple entries. Bank to debenture application and allotment, debenture application allotment to debenture 100, 100, 100, 100. And the entries of redemption also have to be kept in mind at the time of issue of debenture itself. Debenture to debenture holder, debenture holders to bank. Entries at the time of issue when debentures are issued at a discount. That means supposing 100 rupee ka debenture is issued at 95 rupees. 95 rupees, and redeemable at 100 rupees. So 95 is issued and redeemed at 100. बैंक टू डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन 95 आया कितना है 95. डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू is a loss. Discount on issue is a loss, so it will always be debited to debenture account 100. Entries at the time of redemption, if it is at par, debenture to debenture holder to bank. par पे है तो एक ही एंट्री है, debenture to debenture holder to bank, debenture to debenture holder to bank. The entries remain the same. The third case can be when the debentures are issued at premium. That means issued supposing at 105 and are redeemable at 100. So entry of issue, premium is a capital gain, so will be credited. Bank to debenture application, you're getting 105. Debenture application to debenture to security premium reserve, rupees 5 extra, the 5 rupee premium that we are getting. And entries, as long as they are redeemed at par, the entries will be same. Debenture to debenture holder to bank. The entry is common. Now next case is when debentures are issued at par but redeemable at premium. We have to keep, yes, they are redeemable at premium, but this premium that will be given at the time of redemption is a known loss at the time of issue itself. It has to be kept in mind. Like if a debenture of 100 rupees, debenture is of 100 rupees, it is issued at par and it is redeemable at 105 rupees. So bank to debenture application, it is a known loss at the time of issue itself. We know that it will be 100 rupee ka debenture will go for 105 rupees. So we will have to debit and credit that 5 rupees. Account that is debited is loss on issue of debenture and premium on redemption of debentures will be credited. I repeat, loss on issue is always debited. Premium on redemption, here when we issue the debentures, premium is called security premium. When it is going for redemption, it is premium on redemption account is opened. That will be credited. Entries for redemption, it is at premium. Redemption is happening at a premium now. When redemption is happening at a premium, debenture 100 rupee, that premium is a loss. That premium is a loss here. We are redeeming at a premium. That means हम दे रहे हैं premium extra 100 rupee लिए हैं and 105 return कर रहे हैं. So that's a loss to us. So this is the premium on redemption is always credited. Debited. Premium on redemption is a loss, will always be debited at the time of redemption. Premium on redemption 5 rupees to debenture holder 105. Debenture holder 105 to bank 105. We are paying the debenture holder. That's done. Now the next important entry when the debentures are issued at a discount. 100 rupee ka debenture suppose is issued at 98 rupees. It is issued at a discount and it is redeemable at a premium. Redeemable suppose 105 rupees. Issued at a discount and redeemable 100 rupee ka debenture hai. It is issued at a discount of 2 rupees and a premium, it is redeemed at a premium of 5 rupees. Bank to debenture application कितने का हो गया? Issued at discount 98 rupees आए हैं उस टाइम. Debenture application 98 rupees. Loss on issue, now known loss is 2 rupees तो डिस्काउंट इशू के टाइम हो गया और 5 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट हमारा हो जाएगा, लॉस हमारा हो जाएगा व्हेन वी आर रिडीमिंग, वी आर गिविंग 5 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा, वी हैव टेकन 2 रुपीज़ लेस एंड पेइंग 5 रुपीज़ मोर, तो लॉस कितना हो गया हमारा 7. सो 7 इज़ द नोन लॉस हियर. लॉस ऑन इशू अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 7 रुपीज़ to debenture 100 to premium on redemption 5 rupees. At the time of premium, debenture 100, premium on redemption 5. The premium is 5. Premium on redemption account is debited always with the premium that we are giving. Premium on redemption 5 to debenture holder 105. Debenture to debenture holder debenture holders to bank rupees 105, and the entries are done. So these are the entries at the time of issue, keeping the redemption in mind. Now we will do some practical questions for that. These entries have to be understood and learned very nicely. The rest of the chapter and even the next chapter depends on these entries. Okay, now we'll proceed to the practical questions.